Giss Gang.
Hey Giss Gang. Hey. Today we're going to be making some kebab skewers. So yeah, see how it goes. Start it up. Gonna put some zucchini on there.
So what we're using is zucchini, tomato and capsicum and chicken. We're going to do it on the fire and see how that goes. And then we're just going to follow up the pattern. Continue. Rinse and repeat. And yeah, we're going to make quite a lot of these tonight.
How many do you reckon?
Probably 20.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, some drippage.
So guys, we're up to the third one now.
The third one. Some chicken on there. Not even gonna be afraid. Oh, my chicken fell off. Well. And some tomato. And some more chicken. And some zucchini.
So how people been this week? If you've had a good week, leave it in the comments. Even if you've had a bad week, leave it in the comments.
Yeah. Did you have a campfire experience? This is our lunch, our dinner. It's going to be very yummy.
Now we've made some zucchini, capsicum and chicken ones. Now we're going to be making zucchini and chicken, just zucchini and chicken. So now I'm just going to be removing them all onto the chopping board. So then I can put all the seasoning all over the plate and then just roll them all around in it. Okay, so I've finally done seasoning now. Look at that. All nice and beautiful. Right, so now we're going to go cook them up.
Giselle's just turning them one last time. Go, Giselle. How do you feel?
I feel hot. I feel like I'm about to burn my hand.
Oh, can't use that content.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I reckon that's cooked, eh?
You don't have to get all the bits.
Okay guys, so we're finally finished and this is our finished product.
So get some.
We're gonna go eat now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Peace out.
Thanks for watching.